Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina. I'm back after more than 2 weeks without any video for you. I got a bad cold and it's taxes time here for the business, the farm, the kids, myself. Oh boy. Okay, so I've been busy and I didn't do videos. I just didn't have time. But some nights I've been playing because I created a new digital kit in collaboration with Lisa from the Crafty Corner by Lisa. Look at the gorgeous papers. So I mixed her wallpapers. She has very, very old antique, like we can see here, 1923, but she has older than that, French wallpapers. And I showed her how to scan and create digitals with, so she allowed me to use the wallpapers when I altered them. So she has the original, she's selling the originals, the wallpapers in a digital kit, but I can create some cute stuff. So you remember I have a kit of the ledger paper. This is an antique book that I bought. Very pricey, but hey, I wanted to do digitals with ledger paper. So this is the ledger that I own. It's a 1848. Ladies, this is a real old one. So I've used those ledger papers and I mixed them with Lisa's wallpapers. And look at that. I'm just so in love. So my kit has 18 different wallpapers and ledger paper. I'm trying to go fast. Now I want to show you the kit from Lisa. So I have this wallpaper. Let me show you. So this is the wallpaper and this is my altered version with the ledger. So the kits are kind of matching, as you can see. And but her kit has a little bit less because she's gonna create multiple kits. She has way more wallpapers than I do. But I just want to show you two examples of the original wallpaper and an altered version. So you can buy both. They are gorgeous. They match. You kind of need both because they're not the same. Sometimes you just want the wallpaper. So this one I don't have in my kit. This one neither. Maybe later on. Our kit doesn't match totally, but the idea is you buy the kits that you love and want based on the designs. She made 2 collage pages of miniature pages in. So that's her kit. Now there is something else I want to show you. Look, I printed my wallpaper kit on that handmade paper that I get from Amazon. It works in the printers because it's not too thick. Look at that. This is A4 size paper. They do not offer letter size paper. So what happens is that you have a white band here. And what you do, I printed on both sides. And that paper I printed with all high quality. I just want to show you the comparison. This is copy paper, and this is high quality on that handmade paper. So the colors are really better. So really, like the colors, how they show on your paper depends a lot on your setting. If you print with draft normal or high quality, and the type of paper. Photo paper, photocopy paper, that handmade paper, it makes a huge difference because This has been printed on the same printer, from the same computer, with the same digital. And look at that, okay? So sometimes if you don't have the same results than what you see on screen from me or other people creating with their digitals, it's probably just your paper or the printer that makes a difference. Don't be discouraged. Or don't think there's a problem with the file. The file is the same for everybody. So I fold the excess on both sides. And then to tear it, I'm not tearing like that. I'm tearing on the side. I'm pulling on the side instead of tearing like that. Because all the pulp of the paper will just go like that. And look at that. It's not exactly the same. This edge is very like, let me show you if I zoom. You see well? It's not exactly the same, but at least you can remove the white. And then you can maybe ink. I didn't do it, but you could. So let me zoom out now. Look at that. I'm so happy. I can't wait to work with that. I'm going to show what I've been doing because I played one night and I took the wallpapers and I took cardstock and I just backed them. Some are on both sides, ready to do like a bookmark. And some I started to put some embossed papers. Some I've started to decorate a little bit. So, like a little lace simple. Isn't it cute? This wallpaper is just awesome. And some I've been using this. You can see that the print is just very, very perfect. And it is because I took them from my new book on Amazon. This is my new stuff now. It's printed, laser printed, so it's a matte finish, but it's a little bit more glossy, like if you see this and this, than our DeskJet printer. But I cannot say it's glossy. It's just when you compare, it's a matte finish. The feeling is different. So I started offering books on Amazon because so far I was offering paper packs. And I always found they were too pricey. But in order for me to print them and deal with my printer and all the issues that I'm getting and all the defect papers and the shipping and everything, I couldn't sell them less than that. So Amazon is worldwide. These books, I say these because my second is on Amazon right now. I just didn't receive my copy, so I can't show you. But this one, I took my kit, that is the Dreamy Starter Kit, and I just picked the ephemeras, and you have them. The paper is a 60 GSM. I thought it was thicker than that. It's kind of just like a heavy paper. So honestly, if you want to do tags, you need to back them with a cardstock or something. This is too thin for a tag or anything. I printed on both sides with neutral because anyway, Amazon charges me for every page's white or printed. So at least if you don't like the ephemeras, you might want to use the paper. So you have some cute papers and you have all my favorites ephemeras in a small size because my Dreamy Starter Kit is all tiny version. So this way you can decorate a small journal like that with those, or a bigger one as well. So this is, I wanted to show you, I did a little short video a little reel to show it when I received it, but I wanted to show you in real. So this is for you ladies. If you don't have a printer and you want my designs, I'm starting to offer them on Amazon through books. The books, the price depends on your country. And it depends the size. This one has 42 pages, 44. So it's like 22 papers that are printed both sides. So you have 22 background papers and 22 ephemera papers. So at the total, it's 44 pages. And even like I've put a little description here, but you can use this little washi tape or even that cute girl there. Right, that's it for my book. And as soon as I'll receive the other one is of those wallpapers. So now let me show you with more details what I've been doing. I made a page edger. I added some gold around the picture, buttons, and this is an herbal tea bag that I tea stained previously, a piece of cardboard from the instant ink box. And let me just show you what it would look like in a journal. So, well, that page could work, right? So that would be like a book page edge like that. So you just glue one line like that and you kind of have a talk spot. And it makes a gorgeous decoration. And when you flip the page, you see this on this side, you see. So that's what I did for this one. With smaller pieces, I added a little bit of a book page with modeling paste. And I just stapled, as you can see, some little fabric. This is all Crafty Me Shop laces. And a little sari silk knot, like where they sew them together. We have two colors there, but it kind of matches because we have kind of two colors there. Look at that. And this one, it's like a little lace sample. So you have the background, same idea. This one I've used the music sheet to cover the back. And I used the labels here attached with a ball pin and some chiffon silk. And it is gorgeous like that. So this, I could put them in pockets in a junk journal. I made a bigger card. So this could be glued on a page and create kind of a pocket if I just glue 3 sides. But it can be also just filling a pocket at the bottom of a page, you know. Or I just can paper clip it to a page. So simple, like I've put gold all around. And this is some of my fabric that has been tea stained. And just some laces, herbal tea bag here. Vintage buttons from Lisa. That is from my new book. This is laser printed, so we can see that the design is very more like sharp. The printing is more sharp and clear than when I use the same digital and print it on my DeskJet printer. And the feeling is like it's all kind of soft. It's different. Laser printing is different. You love or you don't love. It has different purposes because here I didn't do anything of that, but I can use it with mixed media. Like I can splash with water and do funky stuff that are water-based, and this will never affect the printing compared to if I print with my DeskJet printer. So that's one card. The other one, I've put some modeling paste on a book page that I tiered, and this is just like a book page decoration. So this one I could definitively use it at the edge of a page and create a talk spot like that, but it can be just filling like a pocket as well. I could even use this one as a flap on a junk journal cover. So in my case, I love to create some ephemeras like that, not knowing what I'm going to do with that, so I don't have the stress of figuring out the whole project. I start with a little thing, then I make it bigger and bigger, and then at some point I can have like a junk journal cover. And it removes the stress of knowing what you do, where you're going with that, and restricting yourself with specific colors or style. And the last one I've done, I think I will add something, but I'll see later on. Maybe like some fancy yarns at the top rolled around, or just like a craft yarn. And I have this label. I glued it on a craft paper from a packaging. And then I use a little brad, a little piece of lace, and I glued the lace, so this is kind of full thing. Same here, I still added the craft paper to kind of add another layer, but the design is so cute that I didn't want to hide it too much. And that is my main problem or struggle when I create. I never want to hide what I love about the paper. I need to learn that I can hide it. Doesn't matter. I can just reprint it. I can just reprint that over and over if I want. So, but anyway, yeah, that is my challenge. So now I'm gonna work on that little card in another video, because I still need to work on my taxes, submit them. And it's gonna be a very nice day here, the first days of what feels like spring and summer. So I want to go out today and get a little bit of sun. So I hope you enjoyed that little video showing you what I'm working on those days. And I'll come back to you very soon now with something else about this, like doing creations with you or doing more creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.